Hey there everybody, I'm Auto Guy BRI, and this is my guide to winter driving. If you will just follow these very simple steps, you will make it to your next destination alive. And that's what we ultimately want, is to stay alive. Here we go. So step number 1, plan your route. Stick to the main roads, stick to highways, because the chances are is they've been plowed and salted first before all the other side streets and side roads or back roads that you may want to take. Step number 2, leave early. Plan your route effectively so that you can leave and still get to your destination on time. My dad always told me, it's better for you to arrive alive than for you to not arrive at all. So make sure you leave enough time to get to where you need to go. Step number 3, don't be an idiot. Have consideration for others just like you have consideration for yourself. Leave yourself enough space between you and the car ahead of you to allow you to have the proper reaction time should something go down. In fact, this is the way you should be driving in winter weather. Pretend your great-grandmother's in the chair next to you and she has a brand new Sunday dress on. Now she's also got a giant bowl of gravy sitting on her lap with no lid. Drive in a way where that gravy will never spill on Grandma's brand new dress, and she will thank you for it later. For my last tip, number 4, buy winter tires. Winter tires help you to stop 50% faster than your all-season tires do. Saying that you don't need winter tires is about as dumb as saying, why am I not losing weight? I only ate Skittles and hot chocolate for breakfast and played video games on the couch all day, but why am I not losing weight? Yeah, it's that kind of dumb. Thanks again everybody for watching Auto Guy BRI's Guide to Winter Driving. If you'll just follow these simple 4 steps, you will make it home safely and soundly. And from Henley Honda, my family to yours, have a safe drive.